Original classic. Original classic. Original classic. Original classic.
What's up, guys? Pretty exciting day. Today we're taking delivery of my brand new vehicle. Yeah, first time I've ever owned a brand new vehicle, so yeah, here it is. Let's check it out. Alright, for the first mod on the truck is going to be plasti dip in the grill. I'll show you what it looks like. Started masking it, but yeah, I'll get rid of the chrome, make it all black. Yep. There you have it. Looks pretty good. $20 can is all done. I'm not a Ford guy, but damn, they did a pretty good job on this ride. My wife's been bugging me about this, so I think it's time. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Nice and roomy. Leather. Got a lot of room for the kids. Start her up. Still gotta learn all the little features. But yeah, Ford did a good job. I'm usually a GM guy, but hey, I'll take a Ford now.